Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the PFY Matrix Portable Video Light. Now this is an RGB light. I've covered a lot of these. There are so many these days, in fact, it's hard to differentiate. But one thing I can say is that PFY makes some of my favorite accessories. In fact, the Atom Cube RX1 is my favorite light, but it's also one of the most expensive at roughly $170. This offering, on the other hand, comes in at around $130 US. It supports USB Type-C quick charging 3.0. There is a free application, just like with the RX1, in order to control the light. You can pair it with over 200 of them, I believe, if you actually aspire to do so, and that's why it says group lighting. Bluetooth mesh is the way it communicates in terms of light to light, and then of course customizable effects. HSI 360 degrees, wide range in terms of color temperature. I believe it's 3300 to 3200, excuse me, to 6500K. Let's get it out of the box. Now, interestingly enough, this one is made in Germany, unlike the other one I just popped in, the RX1, which is made in Taiwan. And this has a wood finish. So, I mean, in terms of look and feel, I'll be telling all of you which I think has the more superior overall fit and finish and build quality. But right now, you know, it is tough to beat that Atom Cube RX1, but this is a brand new offering, and already this is really cool. I can tell you that as soon as I saw it. It also has some nice features that I know the Atom Cube, which is an older product, does not have, if I can wedge it out of the foam. So basically, this, again, looks a lot like the RX1, but with this wood finish, which I actually happen to like a lot. Take that in because it's pretty unique, not something you're going to see very often. And then, unlike the RX1, we do have a hinge here with 1/4-20 mounts that actually moves, which reminds me of the Bowling P1, or at least I think it moves. We also have a cold shoe right here at the top next to the power button. Let's go ahead and power it on. Hello, PFY. And we're already in business. You can see, essentially, I believe this is an OLED display, just like basically every other quality light in this class. We've got some other mounting options here on the bottom. This probably is going to need to be loosened in order to actually make it move, because right now it is not. But then we've got the ability to dim the light right here. Really simple with that jog dial. We have the ability to change our hue, which is what you expect from a light like this, right? And then we've got the mode. I think there are a dozen different effects. Don't want to have a seizure here. I'm not saying I'm epileptic, but don't want to find out through testing a light like this. But again, really like this wood finish. They're doing something different. I give them credit for that. Just a traditional, nice, cool 6500 right now, CCT, if that's what you're looking for. I film in 5600, generally speaking. But yeah, I mean, essentially anything on the HSI spectrum you want to achieve, you'll be able to. On the side, outside of the buttons, I've shown you the mode, and of course, the dimming dial, and then the actual hue and saturation. You also have your Type-C quick charge port right there. I'm not sure on the milliamp hour. Does it say here? It does not. Very cool that this is all laser engraved on the wood finish. Just a cool looking light, and I like the fact that they've given us a cold shoe here. Bye-bye, with a little smiley face. Got to give them credit where it's due. Very cool little light, and less expensive than its Atom RX1 counterpart. And I think a little bit more versatile in that it has the cold shoe and more mounting options. I mean, granted, we have all these mounting options on the side, but they do not actually move, and I believe these do. Let's see what else is in the box. Go ahead and put that to the side. So we've got our instructions, which I will take a look at later, not right now. Cold shoe mount right there, and of course, power adapter, well, the actual Type-C to Type-A, it does not look like it includes a power brick, unfortunately, which is something I wish that it did come with, but we do get this cool little carry case, and so now I'm just left wondering how we actually make this guy move, whether it's got to be loosened up. I do see a tensioning screw there, but no tool was included, so I'll have to look into it. I will update all of you, but again, pretty cool, I have to say. And I believe this is actually made in, well, it says designed by Pilot Fly in Germany. And it does state, by the way, the battery capacity there, 2850, I think that says mAh. So that's considerably smaller than what you're getting with the Atom Cube RX1, which I think is 4,000 milliamp hours. So 2 to 4 hour runtime, I think 4 to 6 with this approximately, just so you have an idea. But there you have it. Again, less expensive, a little bit more design savvy here with the wood, I think. That's a matter of personal preference. But then versatility, cold shoe, and of course the benefit of costing less, all good things. But both of these, I already know that the Pilot Fly RX1 is my favorite, so we'll see if this can de-seat it. It's going to be tough. The RX1 is really top of the line, and there are a lot of budget lights out there. I covered just recently one that's $60 and offers a lot of the features, but not necessarily the quality and overall performance. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.